In this slide, we are illustrating an important fact for several countries: the United States, China, Germany, and Japan. What are we illustrating? We're illustrating the fraction of the population that is between 0 and 14 years of age. What do we notice? We notice that in the United States, there's a large fraction of the population, about 19%, that is in this age group, while in China, this number is about 17.5%, while in Germany and Japan, we are below 14%. We're at about 13%. Why does this matter for the current account balance? Because young population ask for a high level of investment. Which kind of investment? Think about schools, think about housing. So young people will move out of their household eventually, and more housing will need to be built for them. When is it built? It's built today, or it's we invest today to build their housing for when they'll move out of their parents' place tomorrow. Okay, so in the United States, in countries where the young population is a large fraction of the total population, we're going to have a large demand for investment. In countries where everything else equal, there's a small fraction of young individuals, the demand for investment will tend to be lower. But then we know from our recap in the first slides that this will translate into current account deficits in the United States and countries where there are a lot of young people, and current account surpluses in countries where the population is less young. It's also important to notice that this trend for the United States of having a large fraction of young individuals in the population is sustained by a fairly high fertility rate, about 2 kids per woman in the United States, while in other countries, remarkably Germany and Japan, this statistic is way lower. So it's likely that this difference in population between 0 and 14 will keep being present, not just now, but also in the future. So this is just one factor that contributes to keeping the current account balance in the United States in deficit, and in China, Germany, and Japan in surplus, as we will see with concrete numbers in slide 24.